morning.
Good morning.
Yes, happy Saturday, guys. It's our second day here in Windsor, and we just finished breakfast at the hotel. We gotta save. But we're headed now to a cafe named Cafe March 21. So we'll check it out. It looks really nice. Actually, nung nag-search ako, sobrang daming nice cafes dito here in Windsor. Very aesthetic yung itsura and mukhang masarap din yung drinks nila. So, let's see. Matthew said we can go cafe hopping today or probably, well, I'm not sure what time we're leaving tomorrow. So, we'll probably do that today. And then, pero tingnan natin kung, gusto natin ng drinks the whole day. So, yeah, we'll bring you guys with us. And why am I singing?
From the place.
Oh, yes, the concert was amazing. So much feels. This one right here cried. Who that? Who that? And but anyways, it was a fantastic night. After the concert, we just had couple of drinks. Tapos umuwi na kami kasi super pagod and guys, grabe. Yung tulog namin, wow, we slept like a baby. Yeah. And by the way, one thing I noticed here in Windsor, daming trucks, obviously because actually eto na yung bridge papuntang USA. So ito yung border ng Canada ng Windsor and Detroit. Yeah.
Fairly sweet. Okay.
Yes, it has double espresso, but it is already sweet.
Hey guys, so we're here at Cafe March 21 and oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ang ganda-ganda ng cafe. Surprisingly, when I was researching kung saan cafe kami pupunta, sobrang daming cute cafes and hindi ako makapili. And this is like, you know what? Let's go to this place. It's cute. And Matthew said we'll go coffee hopping kasi nga hindi ako makapili ng cafe. Sobrang daming cute dito. So, I got it's ube matcha. Sobrang I've never tried this before. It's always either regular matcha latte or strawberry matcha, but ube, this is my first time. First time seeing it and first time trying it. So, yeah. I've already tried it earlier, but I haven't really mixed it properly. So, we'll give it a try. Oh wow, that is surprisingly good. Nagko-complement yung flavor niya sa isa't isa. Hindi siya yung parang totally, you know, earthy flavor pa din. So, nalalasahan mo yung ube flavor. I think it's a ube cream, cold or ube cold foam that they put. I'm not sure. Pero the matcha itself, nung hindi ko pa hinahalo, Ang sarap. Quality matcha powder. And you can really taste that. It's so different. Sobrang iba sa Starbucks or sa mga commercialized, um, commercialized or like franchised coffee shops. Sobrang iba. This one, high quality matcha powder, I'm sure. Because I can really taste it. Buo yung lasa niya. And then, creamy. And then, nagko-complement yung ube cold foam. I'm not really sure if it's really ube cold foam, but I think so. It's really good. Really good. So, if you guys are coming here in Windsor or if you're from Windsor, you guys should try this. You guys should try this out. Ang ganda rin ng ambience and there's a lot of people actually. And the reviews, top notch. And they have like different merch here too that you can get. And para siyang Korean cafe, Korean inspired cafe kasi meron din silang food menu na Korean. Korean noodles, kimbap, those things. So, we just came from breakfast, so hindi namin try yun. We're just here for the drinks, and so far, so good. And Matthew got, what did you get, babe? He got, he's almost halfway done. He got caramel latte, right?
Yeah.
And it's, he like it. He like it. And yeah, ang sarap din ng espresso nila kasi alam mong quality. Cause the flavor is, it's full. So yeah, I'm so happy sa first choice of cafe natin. And let's see if later makakaikot pa tayo. But yeah, thank you guys. Good morning. This is day 3 here in Windsor, and we're about to go home.
Good morning. Hold on. Good morning.
Thank you. So, yesterday was amazing.
What young people say?
Wait.
What do the young people say? Lit.
It was lit.
It was lit.
Last night it was lit.
It was flammable. that's what the older folk
That's
say.
not.
That's what I say. It was flammable, highly.
Before we head back home, one last spot or like coffee shop that I wanna try here. We wanna try here in Windsor. We're here at a cafe called Kava Cafe and Bakery. So I just saw it on TikTok and I hope it's good. Yep. And then pagkatapos nun, uwi na tayo. Here at the plaza. Hey guys, we're back. I got our drinks. I got myself a strawberry matcha, and he got caramel macchiato. Um, and these are from Kava Cafe and Bakery. I also got a butter croissant just because it looks so good. They make their own pastries and breads. They even sell um, a whole sourdough bread, focaccia, and lots of other breads. Pastries too. Everything looked good. But for their drinks though, it's all right. For me, matcha flavor. The one from March 21, the cafe yesterday, it's better. I can taste the quality, the high quality matcha powder better than this one. And yeah, with the ambience, it's March 21 is better. But for this matcha though, uh, they use strawberry syrup, not really like at least a strawberry puree or something. So that's something that I'm meh, like I didn't like. But yeah, I guess I just tried Cafe March 21 first, and it was so good. So the standard is up there. Yeah, but it's not bad. It's fine. It's not like hindi siya masarap, pero ano siya. Hindi lang siya yung parang gusto ko. Anyways, we're heading home now. Thank you so much, Windsor, for an amazing trip. We really had an amazing time.
Both days were nice, real nice actually. Impressed us because our last road trip was supposed to be this exciting, but it ended up not being. So we were kind of a bit hesitant or skeptical, but it really impressed me personally. I loved it. Thank you, Windsor.
Yeah, thank you so much, Windsor. Thank you, Lord, for this trip. Thank you, babe, for this trip. I booked this for, like, just really celebrate my birthday. And yeah, it's kind of like a birthday gift to me. So thank you so much. I had an amazing, amazing, amazing weekend. The places that we went to, really, we really had a good time. The coffee shops, the food, even just the mall. We just both had a good time.
We didn't do one thing though that we wanted to do. We wanted to try a nice restaurant here. We never really had the time to do that. It was just a busy couple of days, but it was really good. Everything else. So next time we come back, we gotta try a really nice restaurant. So
Yeah, like a local restaurant, because we were supposed to go last night for dinner, but then when we woke up it's already 8:30, and we're still a bit we we're not hungry at all because of the food that we ate like before we even took our nap, like the Pizza Hut. It Yeah, it's yeah, exactly. So sobrang busog. So hindi kami talaga gutom pagkagising, and actually medyo busog pa nga yung feels. So until nagpunta kami sa club, um hindi pa rin gutom. So yeah, we skipped dinner. And that's okay because hindi pa rin kami talaga totally nakapag-search ng good restaurant that we want to really visit. So, yeah, but other than that, we really had such an amazing time. One of the best out of town trips that we had. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys when we get home. Bye. Ciao.